The design of the new Range Rover Velar is truly compelling. Every detail of this unique SUV has been beautifully executed. The sleek volumes of the lower body, with its flawlessly integrated deployable flush door handles, ultra-slim LED head and tail lamps, and optional 22-inch wheels, give the vehicle a striking, contemporary presence. The R dynamic is even more striking, with Shadow Atlas lettering, burnished copper details, and unique front bumper design, all combining to deliver a uniquely purposeful stance. The Velar has a familiar Range Rover design architecture that exudes simplicity. Twin sliding armrests, configurable mood lighting, combined with luxurious materials and exceptional craftsmanship, create a bespoke environment which is both calm and sophisticated. In the rear, there's an exceptionally spacious environment for all occupants. Whilst also offering class-leading luggage space. Everything has been designed and crafted around you. At the heart of this sleek modern interior lies the all-new Touch Pro Duo system. Key information can be split between the upper and lower 10-inch HD touchscreens, allowing you to tailor the information displayed according to your own preference. The optional matrix laser LED headlamps deliver incredible visibility. Intelligent High Beam Assist maximizes the number of high beam sections around oncoming traffic for ultimate visibility, whilst casting a shadow in front of oncoming vehicles for optimum safety. The customizable 12.3-inch interactive driver display delivers a choice of key information, and combined with Land Rover's new high-resolution head-up display option, ensures the driver has all the information they require exactly where they need it. The capacitive steering wheel switches respond to touch, putting key functions at your fingertips. Wind and road noise are minimized to enhance the sense of refinement, while the optional sliding panoramic roof also adds to the spacious and modern feeling of the cabin. The activity key is a durable waterproof wristband that locks and unlocks the vehicle, allowing outdoor activities without carrying your key fob. When you arrive, Auto Access Height uses the vehicle's air suspension to lower the vehicle for ease of exit and entry. The new Range Rover Velar takes infotainment to a whole new level. The pioneering Touch Pro Duo system, with dual 10-inch HD touchscreens, provides an intuitive and engaging new interface. The upper screen is your infotainment hub, providing the primary interface for all features. The lower screen carries climate, vehicle settings, and direct input to seat controls, with media and phone accessible when the upper screen is being used for another task. Combined with the highly advanced interactive driver display, this state-of-the-art system puts key information right where you need it. InControl's connectivity features allow you to communicate with your vehicle via your smartphone or other devices wherever you are, from setting the interior climate of the car to planning and sending door-to-door routes. You can also control your favorite apps directly from your vehicle touchscreen. The optional Meridian Signature sound system, featuring Meridian Tri-Field 3D technology, delivers world-class audio wherever you are seated. The rear seat entertainment system allows passengers to access multimedia entertainment, and with Navigation Pro, they can suggest destinations and check journey times. Underpinning the new Range Rover Velar is the lightweight aluminium structure. It's incredibly strong and rigid, resulting in a stable but light SUV. The Velar comes with a choice of 5 new engines. The new lightweight all-aluminium 4-cylinder Ingenium engines are available in diesel and petrol and combine smooth, refined performance with efficiency. For exceptional diesel performance, choose the twin-turbo V6 D300 engine. For our ultimate refined performance, choose the P380 supercharged 6-cylinder petrol engine. Whichever engine you choose, the refined and responsive 8-speed automatic transmission automatically adapts to the driving mode selected. Configurable dynamics allows the driver to tailor driving characteristics in dynamic mode to their personal preference, creating the perfect driving experience. Air suspension delivers a refined and unrivaled drive. Intelligent driveline dynamics ensures optimum grip whatever the road conditions. Torque vectoring by braking monitors steering inputs to minimize understeer to ensure agility. And an active rear locking differential provides better stability and control when cornering. This, combined with the electronically controlled dampers, transforms the driving experience by intelligently adapting to the way you drive. The new Range Rover Velar has world-renowned Land Rover capability at its core, with intelligent all-wheel drive ensuring confident handling no matter how challenging the conditions. The vehicle boasts a class-leading weight depth of up to 650 millimeters, with real-time information delivered via the upper touchscreen. All-terrain progress control is a state-of-the-art system that lets you set a constant speed to enhance control on challenging surfaces. Standard terrain response allows you to adjust the vehicle's setup according to the driving conditions to deliver outstanding off-road capability, whatever the terrain. Terrain Response 2 automatically selects the best driving modes. The air suspension can also raise the vehicle to 251 millimeters, delivering class-leading ground clearance, approach, breakover, and departure angles. The new Range Rover Velar. The new Range Rover Velar has a range of state-of-the-art driver assistance systems to make everyday driving easier. Available traffic sign recognition reads the signs in the road rather than relying only on GPS, showing road sign information on the interactive driver display. Available blind spot monitor illuminates a small warning light in the door mirror to alert you when vehicles are in or approaching your blind spot. Available blind spot assist applies steering torque to help prevent foreseeable collisions when changing lanes. Available driver condition monitor is designed to detect when the driver shows signs of drowsiness, giving a warning when you need to take a break. An available adaptive cruise control system can be activated to monitor traffic ahead, adjusting speed automatically to maintain a set distance, resuming a preset speed once the road is clear. And along with queue assist, it is designed to keep a suitable distance when queuing in traffic, bringing the vehicle to a halt when necessary. Autonomous emergency braking is designed to detect a potential collision ahead, whether a pedestrian or another vehicle, alerting the driver and applying the brakes if required. Lane Keep Assist is designed to detect when the vehicle starts to drift and to help gently steer it back into its lane. With the available Park Assist system, you control the speed while the vehicle steers itself through parallel and perpendicular parking maneuvers. It can also guide you out of the space. The available surround camera system provides a 360-degree exterior view via the touchscreen, giving you greater confidence when maneuvering your vehicle in confined situations. An available reverse traffic detection system is designed to warn you of vehicles, pedestrians, or other hazards approaching from either side of your car. The new Range Rover Velar.